Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix iKey system error in Nissan vehicles. So, if you're getting issue or getting an error here with your Nissan vehicle, and you're getting the iKey system error, well, there are a few things here that you could try doing. So, first that you want to do is you want to use the emergency start method. Now, if your car doesn't recognize the key fob and won't start, press the engine start button with the key fob itself. This bypasses key detection and should start the car temporarily. Now, also you may want to replace the key fob battery. Now, a dead key fob or FOB battery is the most common cause. Replace it with a fresh one. Usually it costs like around $2 to $3. So modern keyless entry fobs drain battery faster than older models. Now, also you may want to check or replace your 12-volt battery, car battery here. Now, if your key fob battery is fine but the issue remains, your car's 12-volt battery might be weak or dying, especially if it's over like 5 years old. Charge or replace it as needed. Also, inspect the ground cable here. Now, look for corrosion or looseness on the ground cable. Which connects the battery negative terminal to the car body, and clean or tighten the connection if necessary. Now, also, if everything else checks out and the warning still shows, the BCM might be faulty. Now, this module manages the keyless entry system, so diagnosing or replacing the BCM requires a mechanic. But that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.